Welcome! This tutorial will help you set up your eBeam system, gain facility with the software, and prepare you to effectively utilize many of the features of your system. You'll have a chance to explore ways to make the presentation and teaching methods you already utilize more effective, and you'll have a chance to develop new strategies. As you complete the individual lessons, you will build on your existing computer skills and gain new ones. You'll learn to capture data from your board, annotate digital media, and save your work in a variety of formats. If you have an eBeam system installed on your computer, you are encouraged to experiment with setting up your hardware, installing the software, and testing out the features of the software, as these concepts are introduced in the tutorial. Now that calibration is complete, it's useful to learn more about the features of the interactive stylus. Please pick up your stylus and follow along. The interactive stylus is a 3-button mouse that allows you to control your computer through the eBeam projected digital workspace. The first button is the pen tip, which acts as the left click button of your mouse. Wherever you tap your pen tip down in the projected workspace, it's the same as clicking there with your mouse. Simply tap or double tap the stylus in order to navigate the desktop and use other applications. The stylus can also select text, drag objects across the desktop, double tap, and more, just like a regular mouse. When you annotate in another application, Scrapbook becomes the digital repository that helps you organize everything you have captured. It also allows you to add additional notes, drawings, objects, links to website, and multimedia content like images and flash files. It can be accessed by pressing the Scrapbook button on the Desktop Tools palette, and can also be accessed if you open the Scrapbook program from the Start menu on a computer running Windows. Like the other desktop tool palettes, the Scrapbook Tools palette consists of 8 buttons. Whenever you switch to the Scrapbook application, the Scrapbook Tools palette will be displayed. The Scrapbook Tools palette contains the same drawing tools as the Annotation Tools palette. There is a pen tool, the highlighter tool, the shapes tool, and the eraser tool. Simply select one of the tools and you can begin drawing or erasing on the Scrapbook page. Remember, the tools have options to control the color and thickness of the pen. In addition to the standard drawing tools, Scrapbook has other useful tools. To the right of the pen is the text tool. The text tool shares tool palette space with the shapes tool. The text tool allows you to add text to a Scrapbook page. Just tap the text tool and tap in the Scrapbook. A text box will appear. While working in Scrapbook, you can use your standard keyboard or the on-screen keyboard. For the on-screen keyboard, tap the button in the bottom right of the text box. The text can be modified by tapping in the center of the palette in the font options. A window will open where you can change the size, the style, and the font. The text tool can also be used to paste in text from other sources. This is useful if you have references from the internet or text from a document that you would like to include in your presentation. All you have to do is copy the text and paste it within the box. With the text tool, watch how the text box opens when you tap the text on the screen. Tap and drag down and highlight all the text. Once highlighted, the text can be copied by tapping the Edit menu in the program and selecting Copy. You can also press button A on the stylus and a menu will appear on the screen. When you tap inside the Scrapbook page, a new blank text box appears. To paste the text, click the Edit menu or button A again and select Paste. The drawing tools function like drawing tools in other applications. You can use the pen with different thicknesses and colors to sketch, mark up, or caption your screen media. You can use the highlighter tool to draw attention to particular text or objects on the screen.